Books, there are multiplied millions of them in the world. Thousands of books are written just about every single week. There are books on how to do almost anything. There are books on almost every subject you can imagine. Lots of information, lots of books. But in all of the books that have been written in the entire world, there is not enough information to cause anyone to change their behavior, to learn a new discipline, to actually do something differently than they're currently doing it. Basically, to change their life. You can buy a book for anything. How do I change my life? How do I change my marriage? How can I become a better parent? How can I become a better man? There's a book out there waiting for you, and you can read it, and you can gain the knowledge. But having the knowledge, having the resources, having the books is not enough. At some point, your desire to be different than you are has to come to the place of you creating a discipline to make the change. The only time we really ever change, we're told, is when it becomes too painful for us to remain where we are. What kind of disciplines do you have in your life? Are you a disciplined person? Are you willing to concede that you need to create some new disciplines today, right now in your life, regardless of what your age is? What new discipline have you learned this year? Do you just accumulate disciplines, or are you a disciplined person? There is a huge difference. You can go on the rest of your life accumulating books. I have thousands of them. Many of them I have read. Many of them I've read excerpts from. Some of them have been given to me. Some I've purchased for myself. All kinds of books. But if I don't use the information, if I don't apply it, if I don't make the changes necessary for me to live a better life, all the information in the world is no good. Why don't you think about your life today? Why don't you sit down and write down 3 things in your life you need to change? Just 3. A number of them. 1, 2, 3. And then outline some kind of step that you need to take as you work on each of those 3 items. Start today. Change your life. Create a discipline in your life that will then help you to change your life and cause you to live a better life. You only get one life. You need to milk it. You need to get all you can get out of it. Discipline is the only way to get you there.